The mistake of not making a face cut leads to the tree breaking as it falls. They probably underestimated the weight of the tree when they let it fall toward the crane, causing the crane boom to lose balance. Luckily, there was no major damage. They must learn from this next time. Remember, safety comes first. Not having a safety harness in this situation is very dangerous. You must always put your own safety first. Sometimes, your teammate can end up hurting you. The Stihl MS-362 entered the job with a deep, powerful roar. The saw chains move at extreme speed, biting deep into the thick wood with firm and continuous force. At high power working levels, both machines show strong pulling force, solid cutting grip, and very aggressive wood processing ability. Sawdust bursts into the air along each sharp and clean cut. This is the kind of work where just hearing the engine sound is enough to feel the mechanical power being pushed to its limit. It is not just the sound of the engine roaring or the powerful cuts, but also the clear feeling of strength, durability, and performance that the Stihl MS-362 brings to heavy work. If you love machines working at full power like this, please hit like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And don't forget to comment number 2 if you have watched until this part. Bandit Beast 4680X. P works in a very aggressive, material-devouring style. Each log, large branch, stump, or pile of wood waste is carried by the feed conveyor into the huge 45 by 60 inch opening. Then the 60-inch diameter cutter mill with 48 teeth begins to crush, tear, and chip the material into an even layer of mulch. The machine comes with Caterpillar C27 1050 horsepower or C32 1200 horsepower engine options. So even under heavy load, it still keeps a very strong and stable working rhythm. According to Bandit, the 4680XP can produce up to 800 cubic yards of mulch per hour, equal to about 612 cubic meters of finished product per hour. If you do not use a wood wedge to place between the cut trunk, then I will show you how a hand lifting jack can do it gently. You will understand why many people in the logging trade feel reassured just by hearing this machine start up. At a wood yard covered with sawdust and the sound of engines roaring through the forest, an American man named Jack stands beside the Eschlböck Biber 92 with a look full of confidence. He has worked in logging for many years, so just by hearing the machine run, he knows this machine was built for heavy work. Large branches and rough logs are continuously fed into the wide 122 centimeter intake. then quickly chipped into even and powerful wood chips. With the ability to process wood up to 75 centimeters in diameter and power up to 750 horsepower, the Biber 92 shows very impressive performance, helping Jack save a lot of time, effort, and reduce pressure on the whole crew. If placed beside the Bandit Beast 4680XP, the Biber 92 may not look as massive, but it is still an extremely efficient, durable wood chipper and strong enough to make a big difference in the field. This is how $1,000 tabletops are created. Placing and securing a 100-year-old log is something that cannot be taken lightly. After 10 centimeters thick cuts are made, the worker always checks the wood surface again to decide the thickness of the next slab. Every careless action can affect productivity and money. The stump destroyer. Just by standing still and moving exactly one arm, a stump that has been sitting there for decades must turn into wood chips to serve humans. Removing tree stumps is very easy with the Caterpillar D8. Whether using the front or the rear, both are effective. Large stumps are cleared away quickly, saving time and labor for the workers. You must always control the machine well to avoid risks that could affect the nearby structures next to the old tree stump. Welcome to the Extreme Engine channel. We will bring you an amazing emotional experience. Don't forget to leave a like and comment number 1 right now if you want to watch the content you are waiting for. The Volvo EC210, equipped with a stump cutter, works very neatly and effectively. The stubborn stumps that seem hard to handle are broken apart quite easily under the machine's strong cutting force. Each move is firm, stable, and fast, showing that this is a truly useful machine for heavy work.
There you go. Good job.
The thumb works.
Monster. That terrifying. The Cat machine equipped with the RSBM excavator stump cutter appears like a real monster on the job site. Instead of making people dig, cut, pry, and pull each heavy stump by hand with a lot of risk, this machine handles everything much faster and more neatly. The cutter head grips firmly, twists hard, and breaks apart the stubborn stump with ease, helping save a lot of time and labor. Jobs that used to make many people exhausted for hours are now finished in a much shorter time. This is the power of modern machinery, convenient, powerful, and made to work in place of people. The Husqvarna 450 with an Oregon bar jumps into the job with great energy, powered by a 2.4 kilowatt engine, equal to about 3.2 horsepower. The chain runs sharp and clean, biting deep through each wood fiber with a firm cutting rhythm. Sawdust keeps flying up, creating a powerful and very captivating working moment.
That's crazy.
The 1.6-meter saw blade enters the job with a truly overwhelming feeling. When the billet feeding system runs steadily, the log, up to 50 feet long, slowly moves into the cutting zone and is sliced through by the giant saw blade in a very decisive way. The sharp, whining sound is strong. Sawdust flies thick across the whole area, and the cut line is straight, clean, and very smooth. This is not only a powerful processing moment, but also an image that shows the efficiency, precision, and lasting working power of a true industrial saw machine. Jimmy does this job every day, as naturally as you eat hamburgers every week. He uses his back and body weight to keep his balance while climbing. Wherever he goes, he cuts branches there, and then a tree trunk big enough will be cut down. His experience is shown very clearly. Don't look at me. I am not the one who caused this. You already saw the person who caused it. A person's mistake is always realized after they receive the consequences. This is going to cost a lot of money. Once again, it is a tripod combined with a pulley and chain to pull out a tree stump. Is it easy to handle a stump like that? Do not think too highly of it. With big stumps, you have to use a specialized machine. Just a level 4 storm wind is enough to knock down trees standing alone. That is really scary.
We lost 2 trees! Gone.
The name Pacific P-16 carries the name of a monster of the green forest because it always transports large amounts of oversized timber both in the forest and on the road.
I had to make this bigger.
The Canadian man steps into the job with great energy and very high focus. His sturdy boots, full protective clothing, and helmet with a face shield help him stay confident against sawdust, wood dust, and many pieces of debris flying into his eyes. His working style is both powerful and professional.